I can't explain it, but this morning when I looked at my flip cam, I just had no urge to film myself mowing. I'll explain it later. I have to keep it honest. Another beautiful day. I just got finished with a big job. I think I'm going to get some Cane's chicken and eat in the mall parking lot.
Chicken, want some chicken?
Yeah, give me the Caniac with an extra piece of toast.
What's he drink?
Large Diet Coke, no ice.
A cognac with a large Diet Coke, no ice, and you have a extra piece of toast. Is it for you?
Yeah.
1284, this is second window. Thank you.
All right.
Cognac with a large Diet Coke?
Yep.
Did you want ketchup?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay. I wanted to clear the air about this channel and future videos. I just want to be honest about the way I felt when I woke up this morning. I just thought it was pointless to record mowing videos. I just think I've had my fill, and I just have to listen to my gut, and I just don't want to do it. Let me get some of this Cane's in me and I'll be back. Alright, now that my belly's full, let's see if I can make sense of what I was trying to say. I might be repeating what I've already recorded, but I just felt like it was going to be repetitive to make mowing videos. You know, the same yard doing the same thing, going back and forth. There's nothing new there. So unless I get like a new mower, I lose like 50 pounds, or I get a new account, there may not be a whole lot of mowing videos in the future. I just have to go with what I feel. I hope you respect my honesty. I wouldn't want anybody out there to make videos if they weren't genuine. And also on a larger level, I don't know if it's the fall or a midlife crisis, but every once in a while I like to pull back, let the dust settle, and figure out where I want my energy to go. Well, where I need it to go financially to make ends meet, and where I want it to go to make me feel fulfilled. That's where music comes in. Music has filled a hole in my life. It's also gotten me into trouble too, financial trouble. This could go on forever, but I'll try to stay on point. The truth is, I don't see myself as a businessman. I don't think my mind is geared that way. I've always been in the clouds thinking about creative stuff, music mostly. And it's gotten me into trouble, but I've learned a lot from watching videos in the lawn care community. It's helped me a lot. I don't think there's a channel where I haven't learned something from their channel. I think there's something to be learned from every channel out there. Well, almost. But the reason I got into this was out of necessity 19 seasons ago. I mean, I consider myself to be a borderline bum, to tell you the truth. I had hair halfway down my back, constantly thinking about music and songs, and something had to give. I was extremely shy and different, and having a lawn service has allowed me to get up, be self-sufficient, and own a home. I bought my first home 3 years ago, kind of late, but I did it. So I'm very thankful for that. And I was attracted to the lawn care community because I've been doing it for 19 seasons. And I just feel a kinship to the guys out there doing it. But you get burned out. I guess it could be, I'm burned out right now, who knows. But I will be putting on the brakes and, seeing where my mind's at. The original goal to start this channel, I guess, the inspiration was just to give myself something to look at in the future and have a chuckle, say, hey, look what I was doing back then. Kind of like a video diary. And if anybody was entertained by my channel, I appreciate you visiting. I don't want to scare you off, but I do want to be honest with you. I had a lot to say on this, and I'm forgetting a lot of it, I know. But for future videos, I don't really have anything specific. I tried to put that in my about section from the start. That's why I wanted to make this video, since my channel's a few months old. So I didn't want to mislead anybody. I know everybody's time is valuable. And if it's not what you thought you were signing up for, I totally understand. But in the future, it could be a total bore fest. Could be a disaster. Or the unexpected. That's the way I like to keep it. The unknown. I don't mean to be so dramatic here, but I'm trying to be as genuine as possible. Okay, that's a wrap. I'm still going to watch a lot of lawn care videos because I can learn from them. I just don't know if I'll be making them. But to all visitors to my channel, I wish you all the best. Stay true to yourself and come on back anytime. Reflection. It's possible, after all that dramatic stuff, I could wake up tomorrow morning and change my mind. Bye. I just heard a political ad that made my bullshit detector go off. It's for governor. The candidate is Billy Nungesser. And I was liking him over the other two until I heard this ad. It's something small, but if you're going to lie in an ad, you're willing to lie about other stuff. Well, here it is. They said Billy Nungesser saw a woman and her children walking on the road 24 miles to go wash clothes. And he gave them a ride and I think a washing machine. Now, have you ever heard of somebody walking 48 miles round trip to wash clothes, but making her children go with her to walk those 48 miles and carrying the clothes? Come on. That woman would have figured out a way to wash clothes at home with a washboard or those pins that you feed the clothes through and roll them and squeeze them or wring them out and hang them on the line. She's going to bring all her kids and all the clothes and walk 48 miles. That's a lie. Just in case anyone was wondering what my channel name means, Kid in LA, KIDD is part of my last name in LA for Louisiana. Kid in LA.